This week, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to tell you to turn everything upside down and stop working from the beginning. And I want you to start working from the end. I want to start with the end in mind. Okay? End in mind. That's what we're going to do first. Okay? That's what we're doing. We're going to start with the end in mind. What I mean by that is, when you're building your accounting practice, start with the end in mind. How much money do you want to make? Start with that first. So we're going to go down here on our little balance sheet or our income statement, which is totally backwards for accountants. Plug the number in here. That's the number you want to make. Then work backwards to go, what are your expenses on here? And then what's your revenue need to be? Okay? So you're going to go backwards, end in mind. We start here first, and then we work our way back up. So from here, you're going to go, here's how much I want to make. Most accounting firms have a set model of costing, right? So you got a set model to cost. But here's the part I want to focus on is the revenue side. Up here, once you've figured out how much you want to make, and the other thing is, this is how much you want to make, this is how much time you want, this is the type of clients you want to have, your three freedoms, money, clients, and time. Got time and clients backwards there, but whatever. Go back up to here and then say, okay, well then how many clients do I want? And say, oh, I want 1,000 clients paying me 1,000, or I want 100 clients paying me $1,000 a month. That's going to give me $1.2 million revenue model. So I got 100 clients at $1,000 a month. That's my 1.2 million, or whatever your number is, and then figure out your costing model after that. Now, if you're working with 100 corporate clients and it's $1,000 a month, and I'm not talking about doing all the bookkeeping and all the rest of that stuff, the costing model, you should be able to work it out here where you're getting about 70% or higher on your bottom line. Okay, 70% or higher if you use the accountant success formula model. This is it, but you always start with the bottom. So always figure out how much money do you want to make, how much free time do you want to have, work backwards. Start with the end in mind, and then build your firm accounting according to it that way. So if you want help, the Accountant Success Formula Online is there, the ASF Owners Club is there, or if you want to work one-on-one with me, let me know, because I'd love to have a conversation to see if we're a fit to work together. Start with the end in mind, figure out what you want, and then build it. Don't build it and then figure out what you want. Backwards. There you go. I'm Eric Solback, and reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, I just wrote up on the board, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.